My name is Adam Mailloux. I'm a postdoctoral fellow at the Moffitt Cancer Center in Tampa, Florida. And basically I've been doing cancer research for well over 10 years. I work with Dr. Burnette, and together we work on myeloproliferative neoplasms and other kinds of cancer. We've been brought here today because we received a grant called the Myelofibrosis Challenge, and this was a joint venture by the Leukemia Lymphoma Society and the MPN Research Foundation. We found that the cells that produce a molecule called collagen, which is what fibrosis actually is. It's a buildup of collagen fibers, much like spider webs. The cells that produce this collagen are actually a special type of stem cell in the bone marrow. And it's different than the stem cell that that gives rise to all the lineages of the blood. Instead, it's a stem cell that gives rise to all the structural parts of your bone. The bone, the fat, the connective tissue. So what we've been able to do is isolate those cells, see that they're not normal, and that they are in fact responsible for the buildup of this collagen. So they had this initiative called the Myelofibrosis Challenge. So for us it was perfect because we had this brand new finding, but we felt that it could apply in a very broad sense to the actual disease of myelofibrosis. So for us it was a simple matter of translating what we found in this rare disease to this more common disease that affects so many people. This very special kind of stem cell called a mesenchymal stem cell inside the bone marrow is what actually causes the buildup of the collagen fibers. What's important is that this stem cell is not the actual cancer. The cancer is a different kind of cell, and it's just around in the microenvironment or its surroundings. But this cell itself is actually not cancer. It's more or less normal, but it's behaving very irregularly. And it allows not only the cancer to progress, but it actually also builds up these collagen fibers, which are very destructive to the bone marrow's job of producing blood cells. And for us, we're trying to figure out a way to target the surroundings of the cancer and treat the entire bone marrow instead of just the cancer cell. We know that this isn't government funding. This is people doing bake sales, running miles, and so there is a little bit special meaning to that. You know, when we're doing research, we do actually think about that. We think about, like, this is not just Uncle Sam cutting a check. This is people's hard-earned work. What this will eventually lead to, hopefully in the near future, is an entirely new set of drugs, an entirely new way of coming at the disease, instead of just targeting the actual cancer cell.